The American consumer, right, is indeed a marvel. Think about this. But, I mean, we are feeding at the trough, though. It's just too much. And I'm telling you, at some point, it will lead to our demise. I want to give you a quick history lesson. From 1500 to 1800, Mexico and Peru produced 85% of the world's silver, and over half of it ended up in China. Of course, it went to Spain first and the rest of Europe in exchange for silk, jade, porcelain, later on tea. And then at some point, you know, these European leaders start looking around and like, hey, we don't have any silver, right? How can we get it back? Well, that's when the British introduced this miracle drug called opium to China. Well, fast forward a few years later, and you had a couple of opium wars, right? The first one from 1839 to 1842, the second one from 1856 to 1860. Now, these were brutal affairs, and the bottom line is China saw centuries of its greatness destroyed. It was capped off by the burning of the Summer Palace by British, French, American, and Russian forces, all of them working together. Soon right after that, there was the Boxer Rebellion, and that sort of sparked what they called the century of humiliation in China. And I share this very short version of events to say that America's opium is that we buy stuff that we do not need with money that we do not have. We have always been excessive consumers, but it seems to have gotten even so much worse since COVID. And now it's the cure for everything: loneliness, status, getting revenge, everything. We spend, spend, spend.
Declined.
Can you try again?
Really declined.
How are you gonna pay this debt?